One of the problems with timber decks in harsh climates is the expansion and contraction of the decking boards as they get exposed to both wet and dry conditions. This swelling and contracting of the timber causes the nails to be left raised. This is quite uncomfortable and can tear at your bare feet. There's a simple fix. Where you find a raised nail, I use a hardwood wedge which I've cut a slot into and a pair of nail pinchers. You could just as easily use some pliers or side cutters or even a claw hammer, but the wedge makes it easier to remove the nail and stops you damaging the decking timber. Once it's out, I like to use stainless steel decking screws as a replacement. You already have a nice neat pilot hole to use where the nail came from. And before you finish, make sure the screw is just below the surface of the finished wood. I do this by using the clutch setting on my battery jewel, and I adjust it just enough to pinch the screw closed. Thanks for watching, and I invite you to hit the subscribe button if you want more DIY tips for around your home. Bye for now.